Hello to my amazing viewers, you all are welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to be making potato nuggets, and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and share. So to make this simple and delicious potato nuggets recipe, you'll be needing 3 Irish potato. Make sure you wash your potato before peeling off the back. Then go ahead and use your potato peeler to peel off the back of the potato. Then after you are done peeling it, wash it again. Then place the washed potato on your chopping board. Use your kitchen knife to cut the potato into smaller pieces. And after you are done slicing your potato, transfer it to your bowl. Then go ahead and wash it again for the third time. Then transfer it to your clean pan. Add some water to it, then cover and allow it to cook until it becomes soft or tender. So once you are done cooking your potato, or the potato is tender enough, use a strainer or a spatula to take the potato off the heat. Then transfer it into your mixing bowl. Use a masher to mash the potato until there are no lumps in it. After you are done mashing your potato and you are sure there are no lumps in it again, add your spring onion, fresh chopped tomato, a pinch of salt to taste, onion powder, garlic powder, powdered chilli. Then add your dried parsley leaves. Also add your dried herbs and spices as well. Once you are done adding all the spices, then go ahead and use a spatula to mix everything together. And once you've properly mixed your potato mixture well, then rub oil on your palm to prevent the potato from sticking to your palm. Then use your spatula to scoop a small portion of the potato mixture. Then add your cheese in the middle. Then coat it with the potato mixture. Once you are done coating the cheese and your potato nugget is smooth enough, then go ahead and place it on a clean plate. Repeat the same process until you finish everything. So after you are done coating all the cheese with your potato mixture, then take out one of the potato nuggets, dip it in your beat egg, coat it in the egg first, then coat it in the breadcrumbs as well. After you are done coating the potato nugget, set it aside, then keep on repeating the same process until you finish everything. Once you are done coating all the potato nuggets, it's time to fry the potato nuggets. Place your pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, then let it heat up. After that, start adding your coated potato nuggets. Fry the potato nuggets on a low heat until it turns golden brown. Use a chopping stick to flip the other side and let it fry until they turn golden brown. After you are done frying your potato nuggets, use a strainer to take them off the heat. Line them up on your kitchen paper and let the excess oil on them drain off. So once you are done frying the first batch of your potato nuggets, go ahead and add the second batch. Repeat the same process until you finish everything. So my amazing viewers, this is what my potato nuggets look like after I'm done making them. And if you like this recipe, you can also give it a try. If today is your first time of coming across this my amazing channel, please do subscribe. A big shout out to all my old and new subscribers. Thank you all for always supporting this channel. See you guys on my next video.